about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear.
How's it going, everyone? Logan Anderson here, allstrongfitness.org, back with another fitness video for you today. If you don't know who I am, I enjoy making health and wellness content to improve the health, independence, and quality of life of those with special needs. If you enjoy my content, please leave a like and subscribe down below. It really helps me out a lot. In this video today, we are going to talk about meditation and specifically why I meditate with my rabbit and why you should meditate with your pet too. Now, a lot of us know the benefits of meditation: improved stress reduction, potentially improving your sleep, more mental clarity. For me, I started meditating to actually improve my sleep. I didn't really think about it as a way to get more mental clarity, although I have found that this has helped tremendously in that regard and aspect of my life as well. But this video isn't really going to be about the benefits. It's going to be specifically about me meditating with my rabbit. So I have a rabbit. A lot of people find that surprising, but I love him dearly. His name's Leo. And when I meditate, I do it about 10 to 20 minutes a day. In my specific room, I have a spot that I meditate, and it's actually right in front of my rabbit, in front of his cage area. And the reason that I do this is because it simply brings me peace. Being with my rabbit, for you, it might be a dog, it might be a cat. You can have obviously any pet for you, but I find it hard pressed to find an owner of their specific pet who would not be at peace being around their warranted pet, right? So for me, it's my rabbit. When I'm in my little meditation spot in my area, in my room, I find that it just brings me a lot more peace than if I do it anywhere else. Simply being. So when we're talking about incorporating meditation into our life, a lot of times we want to try to find a spot or an area that is usually very quiet and very peaceful for ourselves to hopefully hone in on our meditation. For me, I have this area in my room that just so happens to be in front of my rabbit or my bunny. So it really helps for those two different reasons. It's usually very quiet unless he's scattering around, which he doesn't do very often. But in addition to that, just knowing when I'm practicing my breathing and trying to relax that he's there with me just helps to bring me more peace. So for you in your lives, this could look a little different. Perhaps you have a dog, maybe you have a cat. Just trying to get them near you or just being around them when you start your meditation can help bring you a little more peace and give you the most out of your meditation. So go ahead and try this out for yourselves. Let me know how it goes for you down below, and let me know what pets you have. If you haven't already tried out meditation too, I'd highly recommend it. There's lots of videos on the benefits of it, but yeah, so try out meditation with your pets. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video.
I'm out of it, to tell me you're